Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 12th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you know something, we did not have a very good day today, but I'm actually almost feeling like it was a good day because yesterday I was staring down the barrel of an $18,000 open trade loss, if you can call open trade a loss, yesterday. And we came into today and we really did improve that by a lot. Uh, I'll show you here what happened. The Dow gapped up this morning. Actually, this during the first 15 minutes here, it was up over 300 points, and then it rallied from there, but failed here after, with about 2 hours to go. It started selling off and looked pretty nasty here on the last 15-minute bar on this chart, but still ended up closing up 157 points. So overall, the Dow was very positive all day long, and that helped us with those horrible positions. $18,000 loss, pretty horrible to be holding overnight, and yet it paid off here. Uh, and we ended up closing out all those horrible positions for only $8,000 loss. Now, only $8,000 loss. That may not sound real good, but boy, that's a lot better than an $18,000 loss. And the thing is, if the Dow had gone south today, that $18,000 loss, that could have easily turned into a $30,000 loss. So that's why I'm not too unhappy about an $8,000 loss. Let's put it that way. We got into 15 positions. Only 5 were positive and 10 were negative, and we're holding negative 2,300. I'm actually not too worried about this. Um, but you can see here what happened. We hit, the Dow gaps way up and then rallies for almost 2/3 of the day, and of course that's how we ended up getting into 15 positions, and then the darn thing kind of craps out toward the end of the day, and that's why quite a few of those positions became negative. But negative 2,300 isn't too bad. So let's hope we get another up day tomorrow. That would help. Of course, if we have a bad down day, that 2,300 with 15 positions, that could get pretty bloody. But we'll just have to wait and see. For some reason, I'm not too worried about it. Maybe I'm just being naive. Don't have too much to show you, but I'll show you our best trade. How about that? I don't want to show you bad trades. Anyway, this is DGAZ, DGAZ, which is inverse natural gas. UGAZ is the natural gas bull. This is the natural gas bear. And it gapped up this morning and pulled back here nicely, and we grabbed it here, and then it trended upside all day long. And we are holding $3,700 in open trade in DGAZ. Now, you can see here we entered on a gap. These natural gas things, they gap every single day. So tomorrow, this thing will either gap up and we'll make a ton of money. If it gaps down, if we're lucky, we'll just break even. But as oftentimes, if it gapped as big as this gap this morning up and it gapped down, we'd have a substantial loss. But if it gapped up as much as it did today, hey, we're going to have a bundle. So natural gas is you gotta, not for the faint-hearted to trade anyway. Anyway, that's the way it went. To Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday.